read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's letter is uppercase and lowercase letter L. We will learn how to write it, how to pronounce it, and how to pronounce its vocabulary words. Okay, let's start. Start from the first line, come straight down, make sleeping line. It will make capital L. Start from the first line, come straight down and kick. Come straight down and kick. It will make small L. The letter name is L. The sound of L is woo. Lion. Woo. Lion. Ladybird. Ooh. Ladybird. Ooh. Lamb. Ooh. Lemons. Ooh. Ladder. The sound of L is ooh. Lion. Listening others. Listen quietly when someone is talking. Listen others. Okay? Listen quietly when someone is talking. Now it's story time. Look over here. The little lamb climbed the ladder to pick fresh lemons. One day, a ladybird landed on a leaf. They became friends together. They climbed the ladder. They enjoyed fresh lemons. My sweet students, I hope that you enjoyed a lot about today's letter L, its sound and vocabulary words. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.